Somewhere a year or so ago, I bought a couple of the cheapest fans I could find. This was in the mix. This is the Super Mute networking USB mini fan. And I opened it up and I tested it out and it didn't work right out of the box. Big surprise. So I wrote to the seller and I said it doesn't work, and somebody who doesn't speak a lick of English wrote back and said something crazy like, us seeking you pleasure, refund, broken for products, damaged, money. Alright, whatever, just give me the refund. And so they sent the money back, and so I waited a couple of months because I figured maybe there was just defective stock going around or something, but in reality they're probably all defective. And so several months later I bought another one, and then the relocation happened and I just never got around to it. So I was looking through some stuff today and I came across it. So this is the replacement for the original busted fan. We've already laughed about the box before. I can barely read this stuff because you kind of need a magnifying glass to see it. Let's see. The use of USB plug can be shared PC.NB power. USB transformer can be purchased on its own power supply. The proposed purchase of 5 volt 1000 milliamp transformer above. Air volume comfort, close to use all seasons. Notebook and PC cooling fan may be taking. I can't even begin to imagine what they're trying to say with that sentence. PC.NB. The design of the brand of machine of USB socket transformer recommended more than 500. Wow. Do not open the fan on its own network or decomposition of the first modification of this commodity. Yeah, this thing's a commodity, all right. Wet hands do not touch when the machine. Do not be liquid. Not a strong vibration and shock in this machine, or in this article. What a disaster. What an absolute disaster. It doesn't come, not a strong shock. It doesn't come with a power supply, so I've got this other one here that I use, Kyocera. This is the one from my cell phone, so hopefully this doesn't explode the adapter here, because I need this. So let's see if this one is going to work. The cord is too short to reach anywhere because it's abysmal, so I'm going to get this this extension out here, because the product came with a power cord that was actually long enough to be useful. Oh, whatever would we do? Okay, so I'll plug this in. Oh boy, that doesn't work. Sounds like it's gonna explode. Super Mute, that is total cap. Sounds like a daggone 2-cycle engine. That's a pretty strong vibration right now. Oh, that's the problem. The blade is not attached to the shaft. Let's see if I can If I can get it back on without opening the guard, maybe I will try to use it. Really would like to see it operate just once. That's some skill right there. Okay. Alright, this one runs. It's we got a pretty strong vibration from the commodity. And the airflow is just totally abysmal. This literally serves no purpose. How's that super mute? That's one of the loudest fans of the size I've ever heard. This is not worth keeping at all.